Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You begin now. Park level, set the brake, and chock the far wheel. Don't stall. Loosen lug nuts while the car sits on the ground, then jack in place stands under the pinch welds for safety. Once stable, remove the wheel to expose the sway bar end link. Spray penetrating oil on fasteners to ease removal. Make sure to have both socket sizes ready so you can start unbolting right away and avoid interruptions. Now tackle the tricky middle. Hold the inner stud with an Allen key or small wrench while you back off the outer nut counterclockwise. You want one tool stabilizing and one turning. If the stud is frozen, apply more penetrating oil, heat briefly with a torch, or give the nut a sharp mallet strike to break corrosion. Once free, remove the old link, inspect bushings, and compare the old versus new parts so the replacement mirrors the original orientation and length. Install the new end link by hand-threading the stud into the sway bar and control arm, making sure alignment is correct so bushings sit flat. Once seated, torque the nuts to the manufacturer's specification, then lower the car and torque the wheel lugs properly. After installation, take a slow test drive to confirm no clunks or looseness. If you hear noise later, first recheck torque and bushing orientation.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.